Welcome to Grandma Kathy's Art Venture. Today I'm doing a transfer swipe onto this wood panel. I'm going to try to do a split base again, and we'll see how it goes. I kind of feel like I get a little carried away with how much paint I put down on my transfer with these. So I definitely want to try this again because I feel like I put way too much paint and I lose my split base. Although they do turn out very pretty. The colors I used I will have in the description, and this turned out pretty cool. I'll let you watch. Okay, I'm using a black cell activator and I'm just twirling it in my fingers. To swipe it. So, and then I'm not keeping it in view of the camera. So I'm gonna scoop that up and transfer it over onto my split base. So then I just kept turning it around, deciding which way I wanted to scoop, where I wanted to start the scoop from, and I kept turning it. And then I got my little scooper ready. I put some paint on it first, just to make the paint smooth, slide easier. And I'm sorry that I had a lot of this out of camera shot. I think I should have used a smaller scooper, not so wide. Maybe a 3-inch would have worked better. But I wanted to go all the way across in one scoop this time, instead of 2 or 3. And then I'm going to use I'm going to straighten this blue part out first, and then I straighten out the white, and I use a scary toothpick this time. I couldn't find my skewer, so I just used a toothpick, and I'm practicing trying to get to a point where I don't consider it scary anymore. goodness. You can see how terrified I am. I swear I will get the hang of it sooner or later. Alright, I'll get it set up and I will bring you in for a close-up. So I took out those little lines that were going through the white and the blue. So here it is. I love this part of it. Pretty cool. Turned out pretty cool. Alright, here's the dry result hanging on the wall. And thanks for joining August, Tanya, and myself for the tag team collaboration. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.